Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Brownsburg, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're moving over 50 miles from your current address, it's a long-distance move. 3 Men offers exceptional long-distance moves, and your belongings are safe when we are in charge. Our movers are also professional, and they have excellent moving skills. Our drivers are experts, and they drive carefully and promptly. You should not worry about being cheated. We have a reasonable and transparent pricing system. We will walk you through the different moving packages and suggest the option that will accommodate your budget. We also have adequate insurance policies covering the risk during the move. When your new address is less than 50 miles from your current location, you make a local move. 3 Men is the expert at moving belongings around in a busy city like Brownsburg, Indiana. This is because we have a dedicated time and resources to familiarize ourselves with the different routes in the town. To work with the state authorities in charge of relocation experience, no movement restrictions, and locals love us because of the cheap rates we charge for top-of-the-line services. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brownsburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.